Good day, everyone, and thank you for dropping by. My name is Edward. I'm probably the slowest software engineer on all of YouTube, but every week I'm working to improve on that. And on today's topic, we have why JavaScript. If you're at a point where you don't know, what type of programmer you want to be or what language you should use, I'm going to be the one to say I recommend JavaScript. So the different languages determine, majorly what you're going to work on. I know some languages allows you to work on like different firmwares for different machines and things like that. Some languages allow you to work with robots and things like that a little easier, like on the assembly line and stuff like that. And some, like JavaScript, their main bread and butter is web development. So why did I choose JavaScript? The main appeal with JavaScript is that it's everywhere. Let's say you wanted to get into C# or C+ or Java or something like that. You gotta go and you gotta get some type of IDE and a compiler, and you just gotta do too much. With JavaScript, let's say you don't have any experience with JavaScript right now. If you're watching this on YouTube, just hit F12, right? If you're watching this on a computer, you got a F12 button, just hit F12. Or if you're on Mac, I think if you just like right click and hit inspect, and you should see something that says console. On Firefox it says console, and on Chrome it also says console, and you should see a section where you can type. That's all you need. You could start typing JavaScript right then and there. It's nothing that you have to, you don't need a lot of special stuff. Now you might want to put Node on your computer, and that'll allow you to run JavaScript from the command prompt. But other than that, it's very minimal. It's already around, so you could just use what you already have around you. So you can literally program something on one computer and then go to your friend's house, and let's just say you really want to program. You don't have to put all this junk on their computer. You can just use GitHub, and it'll put your little program on their computer, and you can just start programming. It's so lightweight and it's so easy to get started, and you can just put it on all your computers, and it's not a big deal. And that's why I went with JavaScript. That's why I love JavaScript, and that's why I'm sticking to it for a while. I would say another language, and I don't have experience with a whole lot of languages, but I would think, in my opinion, the next one would be Python. That's relatively easy to get started, pretty easy to get on your computer. The hardest thing with that is probably just making sure you have your Python Windows environment variable set up, your paths. That's probably the hardest thing. So yeah, if you don't know what language to get started with, and you're just trying to hurry up and get a taste of a programming language, once you learn the basics of one language, you could apply it to all the other ones for the most part. So if you're just trying to get started, I really recommend JavaScript. And that's the end of my little spiel. If anybody else have any recommendations, or if you feel like I probably said something wrong, which I probably did, please let everybody else know in the comments below. Other than that, subscribe, like, and share. Do whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you all in the next one.